Hey everyone, today I came with a new chapter of class 6 math, simple linear equation, chapter number 22. So before starting the chapter, we need to know that what are equations actually. Equations are a mathematical statement, and if I'm talking about a simple equation, that it's a mathematical statement which shows that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. Means a mathematical statement is given in which it shows that two algebraic expressions are equal. For example, if the expressions x minus 3 and 7 minus x are equal, so beta you can see that this is not an equation, it's just a statement. He has written everything in English, right? So as per the statement, we will write it mathematically by putting the signs of maths, that x minus 3 equals to 7 minus x. So this is an equation. Same in the next example, 7 subtracted from a number x equals to 4. Means 7 subtracted. So you can see that this is the statement. So he said 7 subtracted from a number x means x minus 7 equals to 4. So there are a lot of examples are given in your maths. So you can check from here that what are equations actually. So the next important thing is mentioned here. An equation is said to be linear, as he has mentioned in the name that these are the linear equations that we will discuss in the chapter. So linear equations are the equations if it contain only one variable. Variable means the literal coefficient beta. Literal I have told you in the previous videos that literal coefficient क्या होते हैं कि जैसे जिसके अंदर कोई अल्फ़ाबेट दिया हो x, y, z, a, b, c, these are the literal coefficients. So जिन इक्वेशंस के अंदर एक वेरिएबल होता है, जैसे सिर्फ x की बात करी हो, चाहे वो 3 टाइम्स बात करी हो, चाहे 4 टाइम्स बोल रहा हो, बट ओनली वन वेरिएबल. सो मीन्स for example in this equation if he is giving us the value of x as here x is equals to 1, so when we will put its value we need only value of x, we doesn't require any other literal coefficient here, right? So linear equation, the equation if it contains only one variable with highest power 1, whose power maximum power should be 1. So you can see here everywhere he has written only x, x and x, and its power he didn't mention. If anything's power is not mentioned, then it means its power is 1, right? So let's start with the exercise 22a. In this exercise beta we will learn how we will solve these linear equations. It's very simple. I will tell you only one method to solve the linear equations which will be applicable throughout the maths. अब जब तक लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करोगे तब तक सेम ही मेथड जो है यूज़ होगा बेटा. अदरवाइज वी हैव 3 to 4 मेथड्स टू सॉल्व द लीनियर इक्वेशंस, राइट? सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज x plus 2 is equal to 6. It's very simple. As we have to find the value of this literal coefficient, now x is the only variable in the equation, so we will keep it in the same side. So keep it here. Take this 2 to the another side. When it will go from one side to another side, then its sign will get changed. So it becomes 6 and minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is the required answer. It's simple now. Only the thing you have to keep in your mind that whenever we take any number to the another side, its sign get changed. So the next question is x plus 6 is equals to 2. So here what we will do, as we know that we have to find the value of x, so we will keep it in the same side and take this 6 to the another side, and it becomes 2 will as it is, and take 6 to the another side, it will be written as minus 6. So answer will be minus 4. By minus 4, as 6 is the bigger number. So I have told you in the fight of plus and minus, bigger number will win the race, right? So the next question, that is y plus 8 is equals to 5. As we have to find the value of this literal coefficient, we have to find the value of by, so keep it in the same side. As 5 is already there, take this 8 to the another side by changing its sign, which is a bigger number 8. So what its sign? Minus. Answer will be in negative and the answer will be minus 3. Next question is x plus 4 is equals to minus 3. Keep x as it is. Minus 3 is already here. Take this 4 to the another side and its sign will get changed. As both the numbers with the same sign, it means both are from the same team. So they will combine together. So answer will be minus 7. And the next is question number 5. Keep by in the same side. Minus 8 as it is. Take 2 to the another side by changing its sign. So both are from same team. So they will combine with each other and the answer will be minus 10.